Okay, the question was, how do I earn and how do I get bonuses? You're going to log into your wallet, explore, then search like you normally do, and you're going to go. I want to show you how to look. You see at today's bonus, I've already earned 0.00225. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the breakdown of everything. I have not got anybody that hasn't upgraded. Isn't that awesome? This is how much I earned on every level so far, but this is the one I'm interested in. You can see the person that joins number, you can see the amount, and if you scroll to the left, you will see that was a layer bonus. And then you will see they were a beginner that actually upgraded, and they are on your level 13, and this is when they upgraded. Okay, so you can see for a beginner, you will be earning 0.000 with a 6 at the end. The next one was influencer, and they're on your level 14. So you see, you don't just earn those few levels, you earn way down. And there on influencer, you earn 9. Now let me go look for another one that's a little bit higher. That's all influencers. Here's a 36. That person became an ambassador, and they are my level 8. And look how much I earned. 0.00036. The others are all upgrade from beginners. It's another influencer. Here's a 72. Now that person was upgraded to a pioneer, and I earned that 1.5% there. And they are my layer 15. I'm going to show you now what I mean with layers. And there's a 18. Let's go see who that was. It's a layer bonus. So this is a 1.5% I received from somebody upgrading. So as soon as you see these, this is bonuses you would never have had on the other system. Here you can see there's a 0.3312, and if you scroll to the left, it will say this person actually upgraded. So that's why it's more, because I got an upgrade value, okay? And they were upgraded to Pioneer, and they're my level 5. Now, if you want to see where this all fits in, you go to the top, you go to My Team. Now, this is not where they pay the bonuses. This is just so that you know who is in your team physically. I don't even look at this. I go to the community tree just to see if somebody has been filled up, but I also don't work on that. Go to the community info, because that's where it's the most important. Previously, I had to go check on level 1, was there any beginners that had 2 people that didn't upgrade? Then I'll go to level 2, there's 4 people. Is there any beginners there? Now you don't need to do that anymore. But now with the new version, I don't have to do this any longer. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, and that is where this warning sign comes in, where it says total bonuses lost. It doesn't mean you've lost it, just means that these people haven't upgraded yet. It will say lost in red. Then you know you must let that person know that they must upgrade, otherwise you're losing your bonus.